Guys, it's me. So I hope you're doing well. So today I thought we would do a really fun challenge that Tiffany from Southern Girls Design is hosting. It's a 5-minute art challenge. So you just create art for 5 minutes, and if you want, you can continue creating, or you can just create like 5 minutes on the same page over and over again. I am probably going to do this process start to finish, so I'm just going to let you kind of hear me talk my way through the first 5 minutes, and then I'll put the rest of it in fast forward motion. So let me just scoot up my chair here so I'll be a little bit closer. And I just have my phone here, so I'm going to press start. I have some things that I pulled out. Maybe I think that makes the process easier when you have just a pile of stuff that you might use. And then I also got this sticker book, so I might use this for a vocal point. I'm not sure actually where this is going to go. I have some paints in front of me. I have a pencil, my palette knife, all of those kinds of things. So we'll just kind of see where everything goes and what I end up coming up with. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm just going to pull out maybe some of these woodies. I don't know what color or anything I'm going to start out with. I'm thinking maybe pinks. I don't know. We shall see. These are just some kind of random things that I have hanging around here. Yeah, so let's start there and kind of see how we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press start. I'm just seeing if I have some gesso, which I do over here. Get myself all situated here. I might use that. I have glue sticks. Okay, so let's get started. I'm press start, and we have 5 minutes to go. And I really love these kind of art challenges. They're great to get going. And I'm just working in a composition book. I wrote this last night, just how art washes away kind of the dullness of everyday life. So it's kind of a pre-prepped page, but I was just scribbling it around, so it's not anything that's definitely a piece of art. I love these kinds of pages. Let's add a little bit of this beautiful tissue paper. I got this from the dollar store. I am loving creating with tissue paper right now. So I've been buying up every bit of it that I can find. I love that it's transparent. I love the beautiful just weight of it. It goes on so nice, and especially with a glue stick, it's really pretty. Okay, let's maybe put some of this polka dot one that I got from Hobby Lobby this weekend when I picked up some things. It's nice to be able to go to the craft stores. We go early, of course, so there's not a ton of people in there. But it works very well. Last month I went with my friend Diana. She has a YouTube channel. You should definitely check her out. I will try to link her below. We went to the Creative View store, so we're hoping that they'll be able to stay in business with everything that's happening. Small businesses are definitely suffering, so I hope that they stick around. Okay, so that's good for now. Let's stop there. And I'm just going to grab my pencil here, and we're just going to make some scribbles. And this is watercolor pencil, so it will be activated a bit. And I don't know where this page is going to go. This is a spill of woody, and this is a black jumbo jet black pencil, so we're just going to go through and scribble there too. Alright, and then I'm going to get out my gesso, which I did not have the top on very good, and we're just going to kind of blend everything together, I think. See if we can. Okay, so let's just go over everything like that. just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of paint. So I'm going to get this color out, which I love. And I'm just going to do a little bit of finger painting. I love to finger paint, especially when you're up against the clock. It's fun. So let's go ahead and do this. Alrighty. Alrighty. Okay, and I'm just going to add just a little bit of water. And let's see if we can kind of activate some of that pencil and just kind of spread things out a bit, kind of blend them a little bit more. And I kind of scribble in to some of these areas a bit. Very good. Alrighty. Okay, and I think I'm going to add another color. So I have this beautiful yellow ochre that I've been loving lately. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I might add it on some paper. Oh, see, so we stopped. Oops, I have paint on my hand. I'm going to get it on, oh no, on my phone. That's not good. That's the lens of my phone. Oops. Okay, so that's it. So I'm just going to continue working. I'll let you watch the process and we'll see what we come up with. Thanks.